Welcome to the presentation on IRA. This is actually about the business tools that we offer. We basically offer management solutions for business and a business map and a hub. We are going to talk about airSuite. airSuite is an all-in-one ERP. It can be accessed on suite.ira.co. It's available on all platforms. We see an update here. You can also install the app since it's a PWA. When your users or employees open airSuite, they are required to enter their credential. The sign-in address contains the user's username and the business unique domain automatically generated by airSuite. Each time you register your business on Qompass for airSuite, the domain is auto-generated. When the user logs in, he sees the apps that are assigned to him by the business. At the main dashboard, we see that the user Derek has access to airStaff, Human Resource Management System, airRent, Asset Rental Management System. This app is used to manage your rents of assets like apartments, rooms, tools, and many more. This can be used by hotels, landlords, and any renting service. airLab, Laboratory Management System. airGroup, that is a group or church management system. Like memberships, events, positions, and other activities with respect to their branches. airSpense is the expense report management system used to track the business expenses. airDelivery, that is a shipping and delivery management system. So if you have some delivery vehicles or shipments across cities, states, or even continents, this app can manage the shipment process and details for your business. airClient is the client management system that is used to offer services to your clients. So businesses like fashion, IT, and networking can use this app to manage their clients and services offered to them. It's able to tag a service offering as a one-time payment or a subscription that helps your business to track expired services. airSchool is for school management. We have portals for students to view their scores and enrollments. airStore, inventory management system to record products and its prices, stocks, sales, damages, and returns of orders with clients or vendors. And finally, airFinance, the financial management system. All transactions on the apps are pushed to the finance. There are more than 10 apps like the appointment management system and bulk mail and SMS system, but then these are the apps that were assigned to this user. We also see the company details at the main dashboard and a map to display the locations or branches of the business. Before we continue, let us have a look at how to register your business and create users to use the airSuite. This is done in Qompass, IRA's interactive map platform for businesses, job recruit, and other services. We go to Qompass.ira.co. This is also available on all platforms since it was built with PWA in mind. You can install Qompass when you are prompted to do so or go to the Play Store to install from there. You can see from my Windows taskbar that I already have it installed. I will switch back to my dev branch. We can browse through businesses registered on Qompass. A settings icon will be displayed on the businesses you own. The icon will send you to the business dashboard. We can also see job offers that businesses has opened right on Qompass. This allows your business services and recruits to reach masses. We have assets displayed for rentals on Qompass too, so your assets on airRent can also be displayed here for quick view by the masses. Details of the assets can be viewed when clicked. For now, let us go back to the creating a business and users for the business to use airSuite. When you click the Register Business button, the pop-up requires your business details and the default branch, that is your headquarters, to be entered. This is all it takes to have your business registered and displayed on the map. After your business is registered, it should appear at the Business tab, or you could search for it. Clicking the settings icon will direct us to the company's dashboard. Here, we see the apps installed by the company, and below is where all airSuite's apps are displayed. Apps can be clicked to installed or removed from the business. We can switch to a different business, and in our case, Honor Clothing. Honor has a couple of apps installed for airSuite. When you can to your business's dashboard on Qompass, we see a summary of the business's assets like total clients, number of apps installed, total employees, and branches of the business. At the Installed App section, you can remove an app by clicking on the trash bin icon. This will display a prompt to confirm your action. The header of this section displays the unique business domain generated for the sign-in address when you registered your business. So we see the example as user at the unique business domain. We can switch to other businesses we own to see that the domain is indeed unique for every business registered. Back to Honor. The lower section also displays apps that might be needed to run a typical business. For a hospital, AirCare is used to manage the patient's record, and AirStore for pharmacy. AirRent for the hospital ward. The financial sector is managed with AirFinance. Similar thing can be applied for a school if they offer the listed services. At the left side of the screen, we have the menu to various sections to manage your business. Hovering over the menu, items displays dashboard, business branch, department, services, employees, recruit, then subscription. Branches is where we create or edit branches of your business. Creating a branch requires you to point the location of the branch on an interactive map. Then other details of the branch like name, address, and email. The branch will be available for public to locate. The lock icon is used to switch action buttons of the branch to either close or open a branch. When a branch is closed, users who are using airSuite can only view records of that branch but cannot add or edit record with any app in airSuite. airSuite. When an app is clicked on airSuite, you see the access level /roles, which is attached to a branch. This helps airSuite to determine the status of the branch, whether it's closed or opened. Qompass. You can edit a branch detail, view departments in a branch, and also services assigned to a branch. Business departments is required when you are assigning roles or access level to a user. These are the departments available in your business. Adding a department is basically the name, the contact information for the department. Business services is where you add services that your business offer. Adding a service requires the service name, details, and base price or fee to offer the service. The fee is very important when it comes to airSuite's client management app, school management, or laboratory system, since it will pull the prices or fees of the services from here. Services that the business offers to its client. If you have a service that you offer to client, you can create it here. For academic, business, or school, your service will be the program you offer. Example, General Science, BSc, Computer Science, Junior High School, grade, and others, that your students can enroll and graduate from. Attributes of a services are the breakdown that it takes to offer the service. For example, a service like website development will contain attributes like domain name, hosting cost, UI design cost, and other. The cost or value of the attributes will be required for the employee to enter when the services is offered to a client. Services and branches of the business will be displayed on Qompass when a visitor views the details of your business. When the location icon of a branch is clicked, the map will zoom to the location of that branch. There is also the Employees menu, but before we come to that section, let's first run through the Business Recruit and Subscriptions. If you want to post a job offer, this is where you enter it. Business Subscription displays the available subscription we offer, and your billing history can be seen here. airSuite comes with a free starter plan where you are allowed to install 2 apps with clients up to 100. We recommend you always have Air Finance, the financial management app, installed since all transactions are pushed for payment. So for a small business that offers software development, install the Client Management app and the Financial Management app, then you are set to use the system free of charge. Clicking on the action icon of the billing history, you can see the details of the bill or subscription. The last icon on the menu displaying your image is the Settings icon. It allows you to update your business information. The lower section allows you to change the business acronym that is used to prefix the client's or employee's ID, which is auto-generated. The next input changes the currency of the business. If it's US dollar, enter USD. If it's British pound, enter ERP, and so on. The client registration fee is where you enter the fee for registering client on the airSuite. Leave it to 0 if it's free to add clients to your business. Coming back the employees page, we see Derek here, the account that was logged in airSuite. The view can be toggled between grid and list. Adding a user is simply clicking the plus icon. For user, the lower section is where you enter the user's username and password to log into airSuite. When a user or client is registered, an email is sent to the user with credentials and link to airSuite platform to log in. The user can then change the password to his account. The action icon next to the edit icon is the access levels or the user's roles. This displays all the access levels or roles assigned to the user. You can sort them by apps installed by the business. We can view the roles for the user of a particular app when we sort by app, and also where the roles are active or not. Let us try to assign a role to the user. Click on the Assign New Role. It displays the apps the business has installed. Select the app you want to assign to the user. Select a business branch, then department of that branch. Finally, the role of the app. That's why we stated that branches has departments and services assigned to them. For Church Management app, we only have the administrator and branch administrator as roles for Air Group. The administrator has access to all members of the group and is the one that has access to create leadership positions in the group. Air Group Administrator role can only view reports of events created by the branch administrator. Branch administrator can only view members of his branch, create events, and assign leadership position to members of his branch. We can view roles assigned to other users too. And this wraps up a quick introduction to how to register and manage your business details on Qompass.